started Encircle back in 2012 to bridge the gap between the old brick-and-mortar insurance companies and your very nimble, policyholders and businesses who needed their services. And what we came up with was a visual communication. That's photos, videos, along with contextual information that's properly organized, but with very little administrative overhead. So very, very fast. This is all real-time data capture and sharing, allowing multiple individuals to make decisions, fact-based decisions in parallel, instead of the very linear paper-based process that is being done today.
Heartland Farm Mutual is a farm mutual insurance company owned by its policyholders. Heartland Farm Mutual is now 143 years old. How we found out about Encircle and why we've decided to bring it into our loss control risk management side of the company is it made the client a lot more involved in the whole inspection process. Now that we're dealing with an inspection in real time, when we go out to do an inspection with a client, we're involving them, we're completing the inspection on site at least 80–90% of the time, and are able to actually leave them with a copy of their action items, suggested things to help them avoid a loss. We're able to also give the broker agent a copy of the inspection immediately after it's completed as well. Just making the whole process a whole lot more seamless and involving everybody in it. Field time and efficiency in the field is at least 60% improved.
Paul Davis is part of a North American network of 380 franchises, and we specialize in restoration work, which typically involves insurance losses to a building. In the last 5 years, technology has changed our operation 180 degrees. A lot of the things we did in the past were very manual, and with some of the software that is out there, especially Encircle, it has changed how we do our job, not only in the office, but especially in the field. We can take a picture of the front of the house. We can take pictures of everything that's affected before any of our people touch it. We can make comments on what the cause of the loss is. We can make comments on pre-existing damage. We can make comments on scope of work for emergency, for repair, for contents, and provide that back to our administration instantly, which is something we never were able to do. And so typically, all of those tasks that we would do on a flood are now done on site through voice to text, through photos, and through automatic upload through Encircle back to our administration. So it's saved countless hours. What may have taken 2 days before is now done in half an hour. So it's a huge time saver, which is a moneymaker for us.
When I look to the future of Encircle, what I see is a core platform that's very applicable in multiple different industries, whether it's engineering, whether it's construction, whether it's municipal bylaw infraction officers who have to document different components in the field, and apartment letting, property management. There's a broad set of areas where real-time, fact-based communication, visual communication, can dramatically reduce the cost, cycle time, and burden on these tactile-oriented workers. So we see a great growth opportunity. The insurance industry is $2 trillion, so it's going to take us a while to capture all of that, but we have our eyes on a few others.